So I've been doing this history thing for something like 30 years, maybe even longer. Done lots of different kind of history, mostly living history, experiencing history, experimenting, teaching, making products, selling things, researching. That's what I do. And all along, I've been wrong. There probably hasn't been a single video or something else that I've done without being wrong. And I could be really discouraged by that. And I hear about how wrong I am a lot. You go down into the description section of any video, you talk to anybody, and of course there are times when you just don't get it right. And there may be things that I have done that I've thought were the right thing for years and years. And until I try it out, sometimes I don't know. And, sometimes you can't try out history. You can't learn about whether you're right or wrong by doing history, but many times you can. You can try out a particular thing, something that you have taken for granted for years, and all of a sudden you find out that you've been wrong the whole time. Something seems so obvious in history, a technique or a particular kind of thing that you thought they used for something, whatever it is. You'll find out when you actually try it that either something you thought was impossible is possible, or something you thought was obvious is not so obvious. And actually, it's kind of exciting when that happens. I kind of almost like it when I'm wrong. And in fact, it can be the best part of your day when you find out that something that you thought for so long was obvious, and maybe it's really embarrassing because you've told hundreds of people about it, thousands of people about it, and then you find out that it's like, well, I was completely wrong about that. But that's the best part about doing what we do. When we experiment with history, when we experience it, when we try to live it, when we try to do the various little things that are in history. And when we figure something out, when you stumble upon something that wasn't so obvious, it is the best part of your day. And so on one hand, I'm embarrassed about being wrong all the time. On the other hand, every time it almost excites me. It's an embarrassing on one side that it's like, why didn't I know this thing? And then you get this other side of it of, I knew some more little piece of the puzzle. So I really want to encourage people that are interested in learning more about history to get out there and experience it and do it. And I think the biggest, scariest part of that is knowing that you're going to be wrong, especially if you're sharing what you do. It's one thing, you can be wrong all day long in the closet trying something out. You're not doing it in front of people. You're not sharing it, and so if you're wrong, it's no big deal, right? You haven't told anybody, so there's no risk there. There's a lot of risk when you share it, but that's what you really actually have to do. That when people share their experiences, especially when they're learning about history, that's when the good part comes, and everybody can kind of help put together the puzzle. We're never going to get it right? And we're going to be wrong all the time. We've done hundreds of cooking episodes, hundreds of Q&A videos. We've done, videos about tutorials about how to build things or whatever. And, all through those, we were wrong. We were wrong here and there and again. But, we keep experimenting. We keep sharing. And we keep building these experiences one upon another. And it just gets better, especially when you get to share those experiences with other people and find out what their experiences were. So living history can be a lot of fun. It can be a real blast. And you don't have to go way out on a limb and have this major investment. Sometimes you can do it in a very, very small way, trying something out that you've read in a book in your backyard and experiencing that and trying that. And maybe you've seen something that you thought, was obvious, and it turns out that you can't make it work. It's like a science experiment. And someone says, well, you add this to that and you get this other thing, and you say, no, I've done it hundreds of times. I can't do it. There are things to learn from, there's more to learn from our mistakes than just, just kind of wild theories. We have to do it. That's why I really love getting out here and experimenting, experiencing, and doing history. I want to encourage you that if you can do it anyway, do it. And if you do it, please share. I want to thank everyone for all their amazing support. When people watch our videos, they share our videos, they just talk about the things or do them. Boy, that is the best part. So thank you so much for coming along on this adventure that we have in experiencing history, living history. Thanks for watching today.